Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry last time, part 1, we didn't actually open this. Today we have part 2. So first we got the Baryonyx. It feels kind of loose. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. Oh, it's kind of hard to open. Okay. I'm gonna try to save this box. There. Oh yeah, he does have the code. So here's our figure. We do need to install his old tail. Come out, tail. Come out. They're hard. Here's his tail. Oh yeah, you do. Come on, tail. Put his legs down. I'm gonna try to keep this box. Dad, help me. Can't do it. He's hard. I'm gonna leave him. I'm gonna leave both of these figures you have to assemble his tail, but I'm just gonna knock him too, because it's hard. But if his tail was on, it'd be like this. Standing. Help. Okay, so now we have the Indoraptor. He does move his mouth. It's kind of hard to move it. That's because it's all smashed here. Okay, now it's time to see this guy. That's a long roar you have. Let me take out this instruction. Well, there's 2. Now we're gonna try to open this one. Yeah, he's also hard. Oh yeah, we gotta look at the back of the box. You have the Allosaurus, Baryonyx, and the Triceratops. I'm trying to get this guy out now. The pose is super. Oh no, he still has that in him. You need to try to cut it out. And we got the skin. Got some scissors in case you got any bones. This thing is cool. It's kind of like a grab and growl. Here's the code better. Moving its tail. Who is trying to skin me? That's enough of our code. This thing is good. The tail's still in there. Hey, how do I take out this tail? I'm gonna use these scissors. How do we take out the tail? Okay, one more. Raw. Dancing to the tail. Like that. Oh no, it's like this. Oh, you can actually move it. That's good. Don't forget to scan this again. Just to so you know. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this movie. Subscribe. Here's the skin for this Gallimimus. And so, I forgot to show you the poses for these guys. I'm sorry, but we'll do it in part 3 where we show the poses. So, bye!